Good morning students, welcome to English session. So in the previous class Nana we learnt already the parade lesson. Yes, half of the part completed. Okay. In this class today we will continue this topic. So what happens in the previous session? Yes, Kamala went to Republic Day parade. So how she went? Yes, with their parents. She went with their parents and to see the parade. How they will celebrate the Republic Day. She don't know how to celebrate in the Republic Day in the parade. So that's why she went with her family. Okay? Yes. So one by one, first the flag was being completed. Yes. Then after they sang national anthem. After some time, tanks, trucks, jeeps and rumbles, soldiers march past is completed, and afterwards the showing the diversity of India state. They will show their culture. Okay, so this topic completed. Now the page number 23. When group of dancers cast a spell, they stood up and danced as well. Kamala screamed, "Oh, what a fun!" as the jets flew past in formation. He heard filled with so much pride. Kamala thanked her parents for the pride. She saluted the people of the country and celebrated unity in diversity. Yes. So, after march, soldiers march was completed. After some time, she saw the Agni missiles and afterwards a farmer telling with a smile. Yes, that is it. The farmer arranged like a home, cultivated lands. Yes. So like this design in this picture. Okay. The same way in parade, Kamala saw this type of floats. Okay. Next, when group of dancers cast a spell, group of dancers. Then after which came? Yes, group of dancers. Kathak, Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, Perini. Like this, according to their state culture, they came one by one with according to their states. Okay, when group of dancers cast a spell means here cast a spell, which means to do something that feels magical. To do something that feels magical. Spell means when dancers came, the audience of the parade totally surprised to see the dance. Totally surprised. How they are dancing? Yes, it is very beautiful. So like the cast a spell means to do something that feel like a magical. చాలా బాగా అక్కడ వాళ్ళు డాన్స్ చేస్తుంటే ఒక మ్యాజిక్ లాగా అనిపించిందంట వాళ్ళకి ఆ డాన్స్ చూస్తుంటే. And they stood up and danced as well. Yes. When the dancers are doing dance, at the same time, audience also there, and in that some audience also doing dance చేస్తున్నారంట వాళ్ళతో పాటు. Kamala screamed, "Oh, what a fun!" Screamed means here shouting. Scream means what? Shouting, arvadam. Okay. Shouting, "Oh, what a fun!" Yes, Kamala when saw that the dancers dance, she got very surprised and she got very happy. That's why she shouting, "Wow, very nice!" మనం కూడా ఏదైనా మంచిగా అనిపిస్తే మనం అరుస్తాం కదా. We have to tell our happiness. As the jets flew past in in formation. Yes. Then after jets. Jets means here like this flags moving with our national flag colors. Okay. Then after she got very happy. Her heart filled with so much pride. Yes. She saw everything in the parade. So her heart filled with so much of pride. Tanaki chala happy ga anpistundanta. Kamala thanked her parents for the ride. Then after what she said, Kamala, thank you ma, thank you daddy, atla meer nannu ikkada teesukochinanduku thank you ani valaku cheptundanta. So she saluted the people of the country. Then after what she said, salute our national flag, national flag ki salute chesadanta. Okay, and celebrated unity in diversity. Celebrated in unity in diversity. Yes, we are all equal, whether వాళ్ళ మతం ఈ మతం అని కాకుండా అందరం ఈక్వల్ గానే లాస్ట్ మన థీమ్ ఏంటి అక్కడ యూనిటీ ఇన్ డైవర్సిటీ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ లెసన్. Yes, this is our lesson parade. Okay, after I understand in this some true false statements are there. Let's see. Only Kamala and her mother go to see the parade. Is it correct statement? Only Kamala and her mother only went, no, that parade? No, her father also came. So that statement is false. First one, that statement is false. Kamala and her family stand in the back row. Yes, that parade they arranged some seats for audience. So what happens? Kamala and her family stand in the back row. Last lo kuchunnarana vallu? No, they sat on first row only. So this is also false. And next, Kamala dances when the dancers pass by. Kamala dances when the dancers pass by. Yes, Kamala also dances. Why? Because when the dancers came, they dances very well. At the same time, where they sat, then they just stand and they stood up and they will also dance very well. So that's why Kamala dances when the dancers pass by. That is true. This is the correct statement. Kamala sees a garden scene and a city scene. Kamala sees a garden scene and city scene. Have Kamala seen? No. Garden, not a garden. She saw land and she saw the farmer and she saw the diversity in India. Okay, she did not see city scene. So this is the false. Next, school students come running behind the army band. Yes, school students also came, no? In this picture we have already. Yes, yes. So this statement is correct. Yes. Here 2 questions are there. Answer these questions. On which day does Kamala go to see the parade? On which day does Kamala go to see the parade? On which day she went, Nana? Independence Day? No. Is it Republic Day? Can you say the date? Which day she went, Nana? Yes, January 26th. January 26th. It is Republic Day. Who casts a spell? Who did very magical? Who are surprised to see the dance? Yes, dancers. The dance is very well. So who cast a spell means here dancers. Which float is Kamala's favorite? Which float is Kamala's favorite? Which is favorite, Nana? Yes, a farmer telling with a smile. She likes very, very much. And okay, the next class we will discuss next lesson Betty at the party. Okay, thank you.